Hello and welcome to my channel English Flow Daily. Today, we're going to learn how to order food in English. Watch carefully and repeat each phrase after me. Entering the restaurant. Hello. Table for 1, please. Good evening. Table for 2, please. Being seated. Thank you. Thank you very much. Looking at the menu. What do you recommend? What is today's special? Can you explain this dish? Ordering food. I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please. I want a pizza with extra cheese, please. Can I have the chicken salad, please? Asking for drinks. Can I have a glass of water, please? I would like a lemonade, please. Can I get a cup of coffee? Checking your order. Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Receiving food. Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Enjoying the meal. This is very tasty. I really like this dish. Could I have some more, please? Paying the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Could you bring the check, please? Leaving the restaurant. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you next time. Quick recap. Greet the host. Ask about the menu. Place your order. Order drinks. Confirm your order. Thank the waiter. Enjoy your meal. Ask for the bill. Say goodbye. Awesome job today. Party Popper, if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Don't forget to watch our other videos to practice daily and speak English confidently. See you in the next lesson.